Ready for the big day. Ready for the big day.
It's hard to wake up in the morning time. Sun, it burns my eyes. Another day, another life to live.
In front of God and these witnesses, I promise to listen and not object or interject when you just need to vent. I promise to always love you to the end of my days. My boo-boo, I promise to grow with you because I know marriage is like a child that needs nurturing, nourishment, and endless love. I promise to do the folding of the clothes when you do the laundry, do the dishes when you do the cooking, or vice versa. Because I know marriage is a partnership, and you are the best partner I could ever wish for. I love you to the end of the galaxy and back.
Follow me, gotta stay strong, gotta stay fly, gotta get it for me and mine. Call on me, gotta stay strong, gotta stay fly, gotta get it for me and mine. Call on me.
Honestly, the couple is probably me and Rachel's inspiration, so I don't know if I have too much advice other than be kind and love each other, which they already do so well. Continue dancing all the time.
But I will never let you go, never let you go, no, no. I will never let you go, never let you go.
Always have fun, never take yourself too seriously, and always remember to laugh.
I was actually going to say keep having as much fun as possible.
Keep crushing life.
Thank you for inviting us to this wonderful day. Never go to bed angry. Tell each other you love each other every day.